G'day, Ian Castle here, your Aussie vocal coach, and this is the low voice vocal workout for beginner singers. The singing exercises in this routine are played at a comfortable range to develop vocal tone and build confidence and technique in your voice. You will hear my voice demonstrating each exercise. Make sure you don't push or strain to hit the notes, and have a sip of water between the exercises to stay hydrated. Let's begin. Exercise 1. Forward resonance. You should try to develop a forward tone placement when you sing. This is sometimes called singing into the mask. We will sustain an followed by a release into the R vowel. Let your jaw relax and drop as you sing the vowel. I will demonstrate it for you. Let's try it together. Okay, now it's time to try the exercise again without my voice guiding you. You will hear a background beat to help with timing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exercise 2, moving pitch. This exercise is a short scale to help you with pitch targeting. Take a relaxed breath in, use your mask resonance and enjoy singing up and down the scale. I will sing first, then you can copy me. Ma, mi, ma. 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 Exercise 3, discovering your range. This exercise is called an arpeggio. There is a leap between each note. The sound we will use for this exercise is called a lip trill, like this. You can also use a tongue trill, like this. These sounds are great for accessing your higher notes. I will do the exercise, then you copy me. Exercise 4, developing your range. This exercise features the same arpeggio as exercise 3. However, this time we will be singing la instead of the lip or tongue trill. Take a relaxed breath in through your nose, let your jaw drop, and maintain a forward tongue position as you sing up and down your range. I will sing first, then you can copy. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. I'm going to play this exercise again, but take the notes a little higher for those that can sing in a higher range. Check out the playlist for more vocal warm-ups and workouts. Bye for now.